Hey everyone, Jess Fabrizio here with Remax Escarpment, bringing you another fabulous listing in Lower Stoney Creek. This almost new Losani built home is located in the Orchard Park community near Highway 8 and Dewitt Road. This one floor plan has the right blend of functionality and space without too much work. You have an open concept eat-in kitchen, updated oak cabinetry with 44-inch uppers, master bedroom with ensuite and walk-in closet, a beautifully untouched basement waiting for your finishing touches. So enjoy the tour and you'll see Vince shortly.
Hi everybody, it's Vince Lazarick here with Remax Escarpment. Welcome to the exterior of 435 Macintosh Drive. Just wanted to highlight some of the features out here. There's parking for several vehicles out front, the attached garage obviously. It's situated on a premium lot, 36 by 108, and the owners upgraded the exterior so it's all brick. One of the other highlights is the location here, located just around the corner from Hunter Estates Park, close to all amenities and the highway access. Please contact us to book your private tour.